Ram Narayan Ram. Today, we will talk in detail about Mahaguru Balak Brahmachari Ji and Ram Narayan Ram. In 1982, around 154 people from Australia came to meet Mahaguru Balak Brahmachari Ji. When they arrived, they saw small groups of people sitting in a courtyard, chanting and singing hymns of Ram Narayan Ram. Wherever these people passed, the sound of Ram Narayan Ram resonated all around. When the visitors from Australia met Mahaguru Ji, he began explaining the meaning of Ram Narayan Ram to them. Mahaguru Ji said that Ram Narayan Ram is complete in itself. Ram represents the sky, the infinite, the entire universe, and the supreme creator. Narayan represents all the stars and planets in this universe. The second Ram symbolizes all living beings, plants, particles of dust, and every living organism. Our consciousness, or intellect, is also a part of Ram Narayan Ram. By birthright, the essence of the matter originating from the universe is our natural entitlement. In today's world and the vast universe, countless souls are deprived of the basic necessities of life. As a result, people commit injustices, mistakes, and crimes, becoming entangled in various wrongdoings. Often, we find ourselves in a state of confusion, and to emerge from it, what is essential is chanting, meditation, spiritual practices, and methods that help us connect with our inner consciousness. Only then can harmony prevail in the world, nature, society, and our own bodies. Ram Narayan Ram continues to advance by weaving the truths and principles of nature into a single thread. It is our collective responsibility to take the reins of this chariot and propel it forward with the power of our minds. Only then will blessings, prosperity, and ultimate peace shower upon us. On religion. In modern India, religion and caste remain deeply entrenched issues, firmly gripping the minds of people. This grip is so strong that the majority of the population remains entangled in it. If people are evaluated based on their actions and nature and processes continue accordingly, more than half of the problems in every section and region of society would automatically be resolved. The issue of caste and religion in India is centuries old and has played a significant role in dividing society into different groups. Today, caste and religion are the root causes of social inequality and conflict. It is time to eliminate these discriminations and build a society that is egalitarian, secular, and progressive. This is possible only when we listen to our conscience, connect with nature, and regularly chant Ram Narayan Ram. Nature is the greatest religion, and everyone needs to understand this. When a person connects with Ram Narayan Ram, they gain a new perspective on life. This new perspective energizes us and makes our lives successful. Ram Narayan Ram always teaches people to keep their thoughts positive, perform good deeds, and help others as much as possible. Through Ram Narayan Ram, efforts are always made to eliminate the negative energy prevailing in society. The true religion. We are all born with a religion. Our bodies, minds, and souls are made from the religion of the universe and nature. Life is about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, and similarly, religion should be followed. Add goodness, subtract evil, multiply kindness, and share with everyone. The various religions created by humans, constitutions, personal ownership, political parties, and education systems are filled with selfishness and give rise to the enemies of human society. These have led to the rise of individual ownership, which should be eradicated from our society. Everyone must remember that the religions created by humans are false, filled with selfishness, greed, ancient superstitions, and blind beliefs. They create division and fear, steering people away from true spirituality and equality. The seed mantra. Today, there is a need to wholeheartedly embrace the seed mantra given to us by Mahaguru. Regularly chanting Ram Narayan Ram enables self-realization, provides energy, and guides the mind toward positivity. The youth of our country is a powerful force, there is no doubt about it. They can unite and resolve their problems themselves. However, for this, they must connect with nature and trust the power of their conscience. All of this becomes possible through connecting with the name Ram Narayan Ram. This seed mantra is complete in itself and positively transforms both the state and direction of your life. Thus, everyone should connect with this name and make their lives meaningful.